Wikileaks founder Julian Assange will be allowed to appeal his extradition to the U.S. Assange faces up to 175 years in prison on espionage charges for releasing hundreds of thousands of classified documents. London's High Court ruled today that assurances from the U.S. of how his case would be tried were not sufficient, adding another delay to Assange's 13 years of legal battles. NBC News international correspondent Meagan Fitzgerald joins us now from London. Meagan, great to see you. So this was Assange's last attempt at stopping his extradition. So what does this ruling mean for him? What are his options at this point?
Well, look, we had an opportunity to speak to Assange's lawyers today, along with his wife. They consider this a huge win. What this means is that Assange will be able to appeal extradition back to the United States, something that his attorney tells us will likely happen. The court will likely hear this in the fall. Now, if he wins, his attorney says that's it. This case is done, and he'll be able to walk. He'll be a free man. If he loses that appeal, which is likely going to be this fall, he has one option. He could then appeal to the European Court of Human Rights. They could then block that extradition, but they would have to act quickly because then, of course, U.S. Marshals will be quickly trying to take him to the United States. Now, once he goes to the United States, if he's extradited, what we know is that he will stand trial for some 18 charges. And as you mentioned, he could face 175 years in prison if convicted. But again, we heard from his wife today. They are celebrating the High Court's decision. And she also spoke with us a little bit about what she said to her husband and how she feels about this. Take a listen.
It's a very good sign today. I think the U.S. administration should take this as a moment to drop the case and to just put an end to it, to distance itself from this terrible prosecution, which this administration did not initiate and should have put an end to already.
Now, keep in mind, Julian Assange, for the last 5 years, has been held in East London in a maximum security prison, even more so, which is why his wife is calling for the Biden administration to step in now, saying it's not too late to drop these charges. But again, they are celebrating this decision, and it is possible that if he wins this appeal in the fall, Julian Assange, after a more than 13-year legal battle, could be a free man. Guys.
NBC News international correspondent Meagan Fitzgerald, thank you so much, Meagan.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.